Experiencing a frozen or black screen on your 2023 Ford Ranger's Sync 4 infotainment system? You're not alone. Many owners have reported similar issues. The primary causes are software glitches, hardware failures, or user related factors. Ford has released over the air updates to address these problems. So start by ensuring your system is updated to the latest version, Sync 4.8.2 or higher. If the screen is frozen, try a simple reboot by holding the power button for 10 seconds. If the issue persists, a more in-depth solution may be needed. Note that persistent problems can occur in 10 to 15% of 2023 Rangers, often due to software or hardware glitches. Regular updates via your vehicle's Wi-Fi connection are crucial for mitigation. If a reboot doesn't resolve the problem, consider a factory reset using diagnostic tools, but note that this will erase all your data. Before doing that, check all connections and ensure no excessive devices are overloading the system. If you suspect a hardware issue or the problem continues despite updates and resets, it's time to visit a Ford dealership. They can perform a full system reset or module replacement. Extended warranties are available for affected users. For those frequently encountering issues, explore wired connections instead of relying solely on wireless apps, as this workaround has proven effective for some owners. The Sync 4 system is modular, so a black screen might specifically indicate failure of the HMI module. Consider third-party diagnostics like OBD2 scanners for deeper troubleshooting. Remember, Ford considers these isolated incidents, but if problems persist, contacting them directly is important.